Great, so this is the new Keurig cold drink maker. It's a little bit different than your regular Keurig. It's not for coffee, it's for sparkling, still, and cold beverages. So it does things like Coca-Cola, seltzer, and it now also does cocktail mixers, iced teas, flavored waters, basically anything you want cold, you can now do it in this drink maker. So the pod itself is a little bit different. There's two parts of it. The part up here for the carbonated pods are full with carbonator beads, which is a new technology that allows this drink maker to not need any CO2 canister. It's all within the pod itself. This part has all the syrup contained. So when you're making a drink, there's two differences. You now want to peel off this freshness seal, and then you just also want to line up the notch with the notch in the back of the drink maker. And then you just pull it down. Similar to your other Keurig, one-touch technology, and it begins to make your beverage. So what it's doing right now is it's pulling in the room temperature water to the back of the drink maker. Back here we have our Keurig cold chiller. It's swishing and swishing the water around. It uses aerodynamic space technology and copper and aluminum, and it's now pushing the water through these two dosing valves, and it's getting those carbonator beads nice and wet. And when they're all nice and wet, that's when they decide to release their CO2. So you'll notice the CO2 will release first, and then a second later, the syrup will release so that it perfectly mixes within the pod itself. Each of these beverages is about 8 ounces. Almost all of them have about 100 calories or less, and that sound means it's ready to go. That's how you make a cold drink.